In this video, you learn how to improve your LinkedIn profile. Assuming your inputs are good, you should expect a very decent first draft. After considerable editing, the story you post in your bio section should hit the right notes with your target audience. Let's take a step back and ask, what's the purpose of a LinkedIn profile? Will it help advance your career? Well, the answer is yes, but not likely in a direct way. I think it's useful to frame the LinkedIn bio in terms of a 30-second elevator pitch. In the time it takes a recruiter or hiring manager to scan a few hundred words, you have to describe the skills you have and the value you can create. In other words, write a compelling story. If the pitch is strong and seems to align with the hiring team's needs, the chances are good that you'll get an email or an invite to a screening call. The first step is to set up the AI PRM prompt. Log into ChatGPT, and on the AI PRM dashboard, click the Public tab. Go to the search field and enter Proven LinkedIn Bio Framework. Select the prompt. Go to the input field and enter the text requested by the AI. The first line asks for your profession. Click the Send Message button. Add inputs as required, and then run multiple iterations with different input combinations. That's it. Now you know how to write or improve your LinkedIn profile with AI PRM.